Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down and find this option software update. It should be almost at the very bottom of the list, and here let's simply tap on download and install. Now your device will check for the updates, and basically we can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.